I'm Rosalie and I'm an artist and I'm going to show you how to draw lightning scenery. So to start, I'm going to just draw the horizon line because it's scenery. I'm making it flat because, just for simplicity. And then I'm going to put low clouds. These clouds are just semicircle shapes. You can make them random, smaller, lower. You can add another layer. These are just basically storm clouds that the lightning's going to be coming out of. And then I make the lightning like a jagged line like that, and it's coming down. You could have another lightning bolt that hasn't reached down yet. And you could put a tree or a house. I might just make these simple shapes. And there it is, lightning scenery.